in New York, this the Bronx.
Tell me.
YouTube, it's your boy Chulo the Dawn, and we back with another one. Now today we got the unboxing of the Air Jordan Retro ones. The I think it's the wash pink, powder pink, or pink, something like that. I'm gonna call them the powder pink ones. So we gonna unbox those today, check them out, see what's up, see how they looking. I only seen these on the internet. I've never seen them on anybody's feet yet. So when I first seen them in the beginning of the year, I just wanted them. So I'm like, fuck it. Of course, these came in women. Check these out. Women now, I guess they got their own red and black box. Instead of all black with the red, they got the all red with the black. Some of them. Let's see what they looking like. Hopefully it ain't two left feet or two right feet. Feel me? I like doing the one with the tag. See how they looking, We kind of spinning there, sir. Right. Top. See the nails glistening. I had to get the manicure. Chill. Anyway. These are even harder in person. It's like a powder pink with the cream. I feel like once the sole is cream, it's like you can't really mess these up. Because all you gotta do is hit this white part with some alcohol. I'm gonna see what the lace is looking like. But they got cream right here for the tongue. It's kind of like suede right here. This is suede, definitely. I don't know if it's suede because it's not really that smooth like suede, but I think it's powder wash pink. That's what it's called. These is hard though. I already got some shorts on the way for the summertime. Throw a good polo tee on. Fuck with them. I rock with them. I ain't gonna keep the tag on. I don't never keep the tag on, but at least this go with the shoe. This is hard. Thanks. Inside creamed out. Remember it was some Uptowns like this back in the day. But they was gray and pink. Pink was hard. These is tough. I rock with them. Hard. Just look like cotton candy. And like hitting them things. Yeah, that's it. We got the unboxing of these. I do got something else on the way though. Not gonna lie. Sometime this week, we're gonna do another unboxing. I'm looking for the laces. That's what I want to show y'all. Because if the laces go, like really go, I might have to swap them out. Yeah, I might have to swap these out. Hold on. Put that pink in there. Yeah, I definitely got us. I'm definitely swapping these. Pop the pink out a little bit more. Then the white laces might get dirty. Don't worry about that with these. I'm definitely swapping them. I thought they was gonna do something crazy and have cream laces. I don't know why. Cause they had with the with the Laney ones. I believe they had red laces in there. I didn't even look at them. I kept it right where they was at. I'm like, why would people even swap out and put red laces? I seen somebody do it though, but I'm like, nah, that's a little too much for me. But yeah, I got something else coming this week. We gonna unbox those. Y'all see when I get them. Other than that, we know what it is. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Chulo the Dawn. He talking them kicks again.